Hey everyone, welcome back to the Eczema channel. Today we're going to answer the question, what is the best skincare routine for eczema? Now there's just 4 quick steps I'm going to share with you on this video. The first one is ditch any of your commercial products that have things like sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, petrochemicals. All of these cause problems with your skin barrier, with sweating, different mechanisms that can actually cause eczema to get worse, not better. Check out my video on why does eczema flare when you sweat, and you'll find out a lot more about that one. So first step, ditch all your commercial products that contain all these chemicals. They are not good for eczema. Secondly, switch to products that are very natural and unrefined. Wash your skin with things like African black soap, which is made from shea butter. It's very, very good for the skin, has lots of skin-friendly ingredients in it, and that will be much, much less drying on your skin. Number 3, spray your skin when you come out of the shower, obviously pat dry rather than rub dry, but you should be doing that anyway, and then spray your skin with a topical probiotic. This helps to restore the microbiome balance on your skin and reduce bacterial levels, the pathogenic type bacteria that can cause flares. And then number 4 is to use natural moisturizers that are skin friendly, that contain healthy lipids to restore the moisture barrier and the fat barrier in your skin. So things again like shea butter, unrefined, virgin. Shea butter has wonderful properties for the skin, and if you're sensitive to nuts, my kids were sensitive to nuts, they could use shea butter fine, but if you're worried about it, then try something like mango butter, unrefined mango butter instead. The other thing I would say quickly about shea butter, if you live in a cold climate, either buy the whipped version or soften it yourself in some warm water and mix an oil like olive oil with it, and then you'll have a spreadable version, because you don't want to be pulling it on your skin when your skin's sore with eczema. So that's it for today. If you want to know more about eczema, click on the links below and you'll find out a lot more on my website. See you in the next video.